from the store. And we're gonna cook dinner, lunch. These two kinds. Butter. Let's try this. Very subtle. Love that. I don't know if anyone else does this. I hate getting individual bags for stuff. The hot one is not hot at all, so I got extra hot just to see like if it's anything. And I also got mild because I really like the color of this box. I don't know. Ooh, these are so good. So good. Oh. Coconut milk. I always like need this for cooking. For $5. Normally like $8. So. Let's do hot. I'm so hungry. It's just like whole milk and condensed milk. It says tastes better after chilled, but honestly, I remember the first time I ever had this, it was warm. No, I'm lying. We had it at YGF. I'm gonna make pasta. Do a curry mac and cheese. I went out with my sister the other day, and she was like, I can bring chasers. Bro brings out apple juice. Okay. So I like it's like onion stuffed dumplings. So like instead of like dough being the wrap, it's like onion. Be clean. Because meat was kind of expensive. Like I was at H Mart, and normally you could buy three sleeves of garlic, which has like 5 bulbs in it, for like $5, right? And today when I went, one sleeve was like $4. I'm like, what the hell? And I ended up just buying this because it was cheaper. I know. But, okay. I'm not gonna shave it down, yeah. You can hate on me, whatever. Like when you watch enough videos, I feel like if you like food, you make good food. Because like you know what good food tastes like, and clearly look at me. Hopefully it's not too much. Like I like chopping things, but when you start like chopping things too fine, it gets like overwhelming. Josh doesn't like mushroom, but that doesn't stop me from using it. When we first started dating, he like didn't like sauce, so he like I remember we went to Subway one time, and you know how they're like meat, cheese, and then they got to the sauce part and he goes, no sauce. And I remember the Subway person was like, no sauce. He was like, no. But I think as our relationship progressed, like he's definitely into sauce. Sauce, eggs, spice. To him, it's a whole new world. I'm like Aladdin to him. That's kind of a lot of mushroom. I I hear my water boiling. All right, it's 6:12. Pasta just went in. The thing about me, I get too ambitious when I cook. Like I start making like a bunch of different stuff at the same time, and then I overwhelm myself. I'm gonna cut up my carrots. Okay, immediately I had to stop recording myself because I never like cut myself while cooking. In the 2 minutes that I recorded myself, I cut my freaking nail off. What's so frustrating is like I literally look at her. I was literally just saying in my head, I was like, wow, my nails are growing so fast, so long, so healthy, none of them are breaking. Spoke too fucking soon, I guess. I just feel like I've been like making a bunch of mistakes. I turned off the stove, but it was so hot. I put the spatula on it, almost melted the spatula, went to grab the spatula, burnt my fingertips, shaving the carrot, cut my hand. Never done that before. So irritating. You know what? I'm not gonna chop this. And the water is boiling, but I don't even know for what. Oh yeah, I think like that.
Like small enough that it'll cook in whatever dish you're putting, so you're not eating like raw garlic. I mean, like people eat raw garlic, that's not crazy.
Guys, it already smells so good. And it's not even cooked. Oh, and I'm also making mac and cheese, so I ate a little pasta. I need to reach a flow state. I was reaching like overwhelmed fucking state, and like I literally had to sweep, do the dishes, and like reset the counter because I was like, everything needs to get out of my fucking way. What are we gonna put in her? Little sesame. Do like match the chicken bouillon. I kind of make like a smiley face or something. That's so cute. Wait, let's see. Yeah, that's his third eye that's open. I know, it's awfully close to his first eye. This was only like $4 at Costco. What was that? 1, 2. This pepper, it always does me dirty because it always shoots out like way too much. Oh, and look away, I don't know. If you don't fuck with MSG, sorry. You can just tell when it needs more based off of like how it smells. Oh shit. When I start leaving like shelves open, oh shit, I think Josh used the last egg. It's okay. Yeah, so I totally just had to start over because I was way too overwhelmed. But here's me setting up to roll the onions. It was super cute, super satisfying. I thought things were gonna get better because of this reset, but no, it just kind of kept rolling downhill. I have a patty cooking in the oven right now because I want to taste it. Oh shoot. Shit, that's too much shit is going on. Literally, I swear, every time I turn the camera on, like everything goes wrong. I forgot that I was melting butter for my bechamel sauce. And now, like, it's too separate. Well, I think I should just use it. It's fine. Well, I guess nothing is wrong then. Sorry, I panicked for nothing. They're both, like, attention heavy. Sorry, that's a beautiful sound, right? Bechamel is actually just one of those sauces I really do like making. And then you add, like, whatever juice you want on it. You know, you want a garlic sauce, add garlic. You want it to be a cheese sauce, add cheese. It has like a natural like cheesiness to it. Well, no, yeah, it's like creamy nutty. Pause. It's also like noisy too, so I'll see you guys when I have a sauce. Okay, I went back to filling them. This looks like a Pokeball. But it's so satisfying. Let's see if I can do it to this one. Damn it. Wait, hold on.
I'm not gonna take it out now.
You guys, I hate this like onion foreskin. Sorry, that was me. Yeah, I think that the two thumb in it like balls. Oh move. Oh shit. I need to get a batch going. So. Okay. So I don't even think there's gonna be a sauce. Oh shit, that's wet. Oh my god, what is it wet from? It's fully submerged. Can you guys hear me?
I've reached a better flow.
It's 7:58. I started at 6:12. This is how the mac is looking. There's the rolls are looking. Let's eat, huh?
That's pretty good.
It's like eating an apple if it was meat. Savory apple. Cut the